andito na rin ang ating Sisi Michelle, Sisi Pinky Sturgeon, ayan, na laging nakasupport, no? Grabe ang tandem namin. Alam niyo po, magkakaiba po kami ng team, but you know what? We believe in promoting and uplifting one another. So, si Miss Pinky naman siya yung taga FB Live, ano? So, thank you, Ma'am Pinky, for always covering the live and supporting us today and all the speakers. Ayan, Ma'am Marilyn Moreno, ayan, salamat sa yung clap emojis. Ayan. Oo nga, yung link yan, no? Ayan, second set are open. Let's go, let's go, sabi ni Ma'am Michelle. And from Ma'am Ruth Tameses, ayan, leave good morning, Coach Janet. Thank you for your service. Okay, so wala nang magpapa-shout out. Ayan, so okay, so welcome to the second set. Ayan, good evening, sabi ni Sir Melchor Brelbolle. Ayan. Good evening, Coach Janet, and all live good. Ayan. Okay, so wala na po. Ayan, so later on, isa-shout out naman po natin yung mga hahabol pa. Now, again, I would like to formally open the second set of our info session with me. And let me just share my screen po, no? Ayan. Jonas, ako po'y tubong Pangasinan, kaya pure Pangasinense po ang dialect ko. And
Recording in progress.
Ang aking mother is from the Mortis, no? So Ilocana po siya, so combination ng um, Ilocana at Pangasinense. Ayan. Okay, so ako po ay actually nag-umpisa from the ranks, no? So ang prior to being or having employed sa Baguio po, nag-start ako nag-work actually as early as 18 sa fast food chain sa Pangasinan. And then 3 months before graduating po, no, sa university, kumuha na po ako ng job. Pinakita ko na yung official na gagraduate po ako. Kaya before graduation may trabaho na po ako. So nag-work ako sa isang corporate world, sa telecommunication company, sa PhilTel muna, and then PLDT. And then after that, nag-venture din tayo being a former anchor and promotions. Nag-venture tayo sa broadcasting. So I was a former anchor and promotions and local TV host sa Sky Cable Baguio. And also, I am doing Feng Shui. So I deal with energy, tapping the positive energy in the environment. And I am so obsessed about energy talaga kasi I believe everything in this world is energy. The one that we are doing right now, it's energy. Money, it is also energy. We just have to attract it. And very important po yun kasi kahit po virtual, mararamdaman natin ang bawat isa, no, yung energy natin. Yan. And of course, I am a single mom for 20 years. So, as a single mom, syempre, kaya nakikita niyo po, actually, konti na lang ang nilagay ko dyan. Ang dami pa hong racket na nangyari, no? So, alam niyo naman, ang single mom palaban, no? But something happened way back nung nagkasakit yung anak ko. So, and she passed away. That was the deciding point na mag-venture ako here sa ibang bansa to be worried about yung tatlong bata because I got scared. Sabi ko, paano pag nagkasakit uli yung mga bata? Saan na? Paano na? And alam naman po natin na ang hirap magkasakit, no? Parang masasabi ko na when you are in the Philippines, I am sorry to say, if you don't have enough money, talagang how do you call it? Ang pagiging healthy is really a privilege eh. Parang hindi ka ang hirap pagpaka-healthy kung wala kang money. And I am saying that from a personal point of view dahil naramdaman ko po. So sabi ko, hindi pwede to, this has to stop. And ang mindset ko noon is like, ang hirap mabuhay dyan sa Pilipinas kasi napaka-poor ng healthcare. So kaya po ako napunta dito sa Canada. And then, ang masaklap is nag-iba yung ating career from sales to marketing. Napunta tayo dito as a nasa healthcare industry. And kakaiba talaga na experience yon, na ang hirap lumabas dun sa comfort zone. But then, mas malalim kasi yung reason ko bakit ako kailangan umalis. And I was thinking of the three kids na ang liliit pa nila, high school pa lang yung panganay ko, 2 years old yung bunso ko. So, but then sabi ko, hindi pwede, kailangan you have to choose your battle. Takot na ako mawala ng isa pang anak ulit pag may nagkasakit. So, that was my decision talaga. Napakasakit na decision. Pero, I have no choice. Kaya, to cut the story short, andito na yung mga bata, naiwan yung panganay doon. And I also love my work na nasa healthcare pa rin tayo. And ayun, nadagdagan pa dahil hindi tayo, alam nyo, ang panahon ngayon, hindi na pwedeng mabuhay ka sa isang income lang eh. No? You really have to find something, especially when you are aging. Yan, so I also did master Reiki. I took my mastership sa Reiki Energy. So I have clients then in energy healing. And also I got my license Zumba. And I'm planning to do it next year. Syempre prioritization yan, no? So I got my license as a Zumba instructor. And also, syempre importante because we are dealing with this kind of industry, I also have to level up my personal development kasi naniniwala po ako that personal development does not far exceed income. Kung gusto mong mag-grow financially as well, you also have to develop yourself, no? Yan. And yun, so the reason why I am here today because I want to share with you an opportunity actually na nakita ko na it is life-changing and I know it would give me direction. Hindi na po tayo bata, no? And sabi ko, I have to choose myself na for so many years, for 20 years, no? Lagi nating iniisip ang mga bata, lagi nating iniisip na kailangan maiayos sila. And this time, I also have to choose myself na. Bakit? Siyempre, I don't want to be dependent sa mga bata even if I know na kaya naman nila akong alagaan, but that's not me. So I want to build a retirement income. I want to prioritize my health. And at the same time, I want to help people and build a legacy. Kaya po ako andito ngayon. And I am beyond thrilled na having this opportunity, having this chance na andito sa inyo ngayon just to share with you what a wonderful, amazing company na na-discover ko being with Live Good. So I would like to welcome everyone with the company that I will be talking about. It is Live Good, the membership that pays. Alam niyo po, itong company to has really created a very big disruption in the industry of multi-level marketing. Yes, it has a touch of multi-level, and at the same time, naka-align po ito sa network marketing. But the good news is that hindi po siya yung MLM company or network marketing company na alam nyo, because this company has disrupted the old model of doing the network marketing company. And I will guarantee you sa inyo po na mga bago ngayon, sa inyo po na first time na nakarinig, and of course sa mga bago na inaaral pa masyado ang Live Good, well, I could guarantee you na this one is the right decision, the best decision na pinuntahan nyo. And I would like to prove that to you right here, right now. Bakit natin sinasabi that Live Good is a disruptive model and why my tagline tayo na Live Good, the membership that pays, no? Ayan. So, bakit Live Good, no? Ayan. So, I would just like to prove to you na kakaiba po ito. Okay? Para makita po ninyo, I will give you a comparison on what is Live Good. I've shared this with you pero dadaanan lang natin ngayon. Number one, ang company na ito ay nag-pioneer. Ito lang ang first network marketing company na merong kakaibang concept. It is a very disruptive business at talagang nagkaroon ng paradigm shift in network marketing. Now, if we compare it to the traditional MLM, it is a broken industry, no? Broken na siya. Bakit? Bakit broken na siya? Kasi hindi na siya naka-align sa marketplace ngayon. Dahil ang marketplace is actually nag-evolve. Kung ang business mo hindi naka-align sa marketplace, then you are in trouble. And that is actually what Live Good did. Dinisrupt niya ang industriyang ito, and it is here to fix this broken industry of multi-level na nag-exist na for almost 100 years. Now, ang kagandahan sa Live Good na to is when you become a part of this membership club, very high ang retention rate natin. No, over 90%. 30% are in profit, meaning marami tayong affiliates, and 70% are all winning. Bakit? Because of our products that we have inside, no? Yan. As compared to the traditional network marketing, very low ang retention rate. Why? Because of heavy entries, because of monthly purchases, because of auto shipping. Yan. So, second, bakit pipiliin mo ang Live Good? Later on, you would get to discover that we don't have overpriced product, no price gouging, wholesale lang. As compared to the traditional MLM, products are marked up 8 to 10 times, and only a few of the people are called top earners. Dito, we are given an equal opportunity, no? So kung sino yung mga action takers, yun ang nire-rewardan ni Live Good. And later on, i-discuss natin yung low entry cost versus yung expensive entry packages. Wala po tayo as compared to the traditional MLM, no? Ayan. And, ayan, nabanggit ko, dito, wala tayong auto ship, wala tayong product purchases, wala tayong, forced buying of products. Not even selling, no? As compared sa iba, you are required to purchase, you are required to sell every single month para ma-retain mo yung possession mo and all that. So, team building structure, tayo, we have a very special team building na magda-dive in tayo mamaya as compared to the traditional MLM. Nako po, talagang unilevel, binary, may capping, wala na yun dito. So magdi-deep dive tayo dyan. I'm just doing it at random para makita nyo para ma-anticipate nyo what we are going to talk about today. And ito pa, here, wala tayong pag-uusapan na PV, SB, BV, lahat ng V, wala. As compared sa iba na lahat ng mga, products merong business volume and service volume na hindi naman katumbas ng presyo. Diba? Anong ibig sabihin nun? So, yung mga PV na yon dun nakadepende ang iyong mga commission because you have a monthly maintenance. And, of course, as pagdating sa Complan, na i-discuss din natin mamaya. Nako po, very simple, doable, and duplicatable. Wala pong complication, wala pong flash out, wala lahat, no? Yan. So, yan, random lang ako para makita nyo, para I will get your attention why you will be listening to me for the next 1 hour. Okay? Yan. So, ngayon, I mentioned that our model is a very disruptive model because ang concept natin is membership club, or I could say that it is a blend of membership club and a subscription model. And I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo sa nakikita nyo sa slide ngayon that membership or subscription-based model are thriving, namamayagpag sila ngayon. Why? Because they have heard what's the demand at kailangan ng marketplace, which is ano ba ang behavior ng marketplace ngayon? Ano ba ang expectation ng marketplace ngayon? Ang behavior ng marketplace ngayon, consumers, just like you and me, we all want affordable products. So, from expensive things, and we are always looking for sales. Di ba, lagi tayo naghahanap ng ano ang sale ngayon? 50%, 70% discount. So, ganun na ang behavior ng consumer ngayon. We are moving away from expensive things and we are moving towards affordability and value. Hinahanap natin kung saan tayo makakatipid. And because of social media, the presence of social media, madali nang mag-compare ng price ngayon. So, ganun na ang behavior ng marketplace, ano, na dapat naka-align ng mga businessman, or else pag hindi sila naka-align, hindi sila nag-evolve, then ang mangyayari is sila ang talo. That's why the old way of doing it, the traditional way, hindi na siya mag-exist. So, to prove to you that membership clubs are in upper trajectory and thriving, we have Amazon, we have Netflix, we have Samsung, we have Costco, we have Disney Plus, no? So ano ang common sa mga yan? They are designed na magbayad tayo monthly, ganun ang concept nila, or yearly, and then we get the products and services. So yung products and services na yan, no, are actually scalable, are actually flexible. So ibig sabihin nun, pwede silang mag-adjust depende sa need ng marketplace. And nag-effective talaga ang popular membership, ang mga popular membership na to, and of course the subscription model. To prove that, nakita nyo yung mga figures on the right. What are we talking about? How much? How many members? So si Amazon Prime na lang, 14.99 monthly binabayaran mo, and then what does Amazon offers you? Almost a lot. Lahat ng products na pwede mong i-type, halos lahat meron si Amazon Prime. And ilang members si Amazon Prime or Amazon? 200 million members. Si Netflix. Netflix is also a disruptive model. Ano ang dinisrupt niya? The presence of cinema. Dinisrupt niya ang cinema. Ngayon, kung walang isang movie na box office hit talaga, hindi na nanonood ang tao. And in fact, yung mga producers and filmmakers are also collaborating with Netflix na doon na nila i-showcase ang kanilang mga films, no? And you only need to pay 9.99 or 15.49 or 19.99 per month, and you get this product and service na ano? You get to watch a wide variety of movies ng iba't ibang klase. From horror to action to suspense to comedy, no? Andyan na lahat, no? To drama, and namayagpag ba si Netflix? Of course. Nakilala si Netflix lalo during the time of pandemic, nung walang, nung hindi pwedeng lumabas. And even after pandemic, preference pa rin ang Netflix, no? Kasi sabi na ng tao, mas okay pala ang may Netflix subscription kasi hindi mo na kailangan lumabas, hindi ka na kailangang mag-travel, tapos bumili ka lang ng pizza o kaya magluto, and then kayo magkasama-sama sa sala o sa mag-marathon, mag-marathon, movie marathon, di ba? Yan, and to prove that, ilang members si Netflix ngayon? 240 million members. Sam's Club and Costco. Wholesale membership club. I'm a member of Costco for 8 years. Do I shop every month? Of course not. Pero bakit ko hindi gini-give up ang $120 na Costco membership? It is because yung $120 na yan na binabayaran ko yearly, na-i-enjoy ko. One product alone, bawi na ako. From gadget to appliances, to watches, to jewelry, to to vitamins noon, no? Ngayon hindi na dahil nag-shift tayo. To clothings, andyan sa Costco. And namayagpag ba si Costco? Of course. Dahil may 123 million members na. Di ba? Disney Plus. Kagaya ni Netflix, namamayagpag din ba siya? Of course, 10.99 per month, no? Ano ang pinopromote? Mga movies na produce nila ng kanilang, of course, Disney Productions. And they got 150 million members. These alone are just a few of the membership clubs or subscription-based model that we know. To prove that naman na namamayagpag ang ganitong model, ngayon, tignan nyo ang cellphone nyo, pumunta kayo sa Play Store, sa App Store nyo, hanapin nyo kung anong andyan. Apps, di ba? Canva. Ano pa? Spotify. Ano pa? CapCut. Ito na lang, Zoom. Binanggit ni Coach Michelle kanina. Di ba? Iba yung features ng free, iba yung features ng nagsusubscribe. Mas marami. It will help you to make your life easier. To make your business easier na i-promote sa social media. That is what business is all about today, no? Yan. So, Sa mga nabanggit ko, yes, we get benefits, we get discounts, we get exclusivities, but it does not pay us. Yun ang edge naman natin. Angat ang Live Good because it is the membership that pays, no? Si Amazon, kahit na mag-promote ka ng Amazon, hindi ka binibigyan ng income. Yes, nakaka-discount ka. Yes, you get a same-day delivery or one-day delivery or maybe Friday sale discount, pero hindi ka binabayaran ng mga yan habang nagbabayad ka ng subscription, right? Yan, yun ang kaibahan natin because tayo, we are being paid, no? Yan. And just for you to understand na talagang proven na ang ganito, let's take a look at Amazon. So backstory tayo. Si Amazon nag-umpisa noong July 16, 1995 in his own backyard as what? No? Nangapital siya ng $250,000. He started selling books online. And then, ano nangyari? In the early 2000s, Amazon expanded well beyond books. He went into videos, music, offering clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, ano pa, and so on and so forth. No? So, ibig sabihin na mayagpag si Amazon up till now, no? Ayan, so ilang years na si Amazon. If you remember, no, yung video ni Pat David nung during the time na wala pa siyang subscription, nasa 65 million. And then last year, it went up to $350 billion. Ganon ka-effective, ganon ka-efficient ang ganitong model, no? Now, in relation kay Live Good naman, Live Good just started on, take note, December 13, 2022. Saan? From Jupiter, Florida, with its business model of a wholesale membership club. No? So, kagaya din tayo ni Costco na wholesale membership club. And it is the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates. The good news about our company is it is a home-based business. At the same time, sinishare niya ang kanyang profit with its affiliates. So who are the affiliates? You are the affiliates. Or kayo po na bagong guest, you could be a potential affiliates ni Live Good. Why? Because aside from the membership club, aside from the wholesale price, merong naka-attach na affiliate program sa Live Good. Okay? And Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. Like Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, Disney, yes, we get discounts, we get exclusivities, no? But again, they don't pay us. And ang nakakatuwa dito is that sinishare ni Live Good ang revenue niya na nanggagaling sa membership, no? So, ang nakakatuwa is we are not compelled to buy or to sell the products. Kagaya ng mga company na to. When you become an Amazon Prime member, Costco member, Sam's Club, Netflix member, Disney Plus member, you are enjoying the products pero hindi ka nire-require na magbenta ka, hindi ka nire-require na bumili, no? Ganyan din sa Live Good. Bakit? Kasi nga hindi tayo product driven where the revenue comes from the membership. Although, of course, you can buy the products pero hindi ka compelled at hindi mandatory. Now, ang nakakatuwa sa Live Good is that we have a record-breaking membership numbers. Alam niyo po ba na on its first year, Live Good has made 1 million members on its 13th month. Now, very important ito to note because never ever in the history of network marketing, not even, no, si Amazon nakagawa ng 1 million members in its first year. Nagawa ni Amazon ang 1 million members on its second year. And what's more amazing is that hundreds of people are joining every hour. And right now, we are already nasa 1.6 million members na po tayo. Okay? And it is very important to know that, when you join a company, you have to first and foremost check on the profile of the company. Yung mga tao na nagpapatakbo nito, are they credible? Do they have integrity? And I would like to introduce to you our CEO, the mastermind of Live Good, the brainchild of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky, who has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. And Ben knows how to help people win. He is an IT guy. He is a consultant ng iba't ibang mga network companies. He owned businesses like a restaurant and golf course. And alam niyo po, may humble beginnings din siya. He was also a network marketer. Ngayon, ang kagandahan nito na ang CEO natin is a network marketer. Alam niya kung ano yung struggles and challenges ng mga network marketers. And syempre, ginamot niya yon. Yun ang pinakamagandang nangyari because since alam na niya ang sakit, alam na niya kung paano solusyonan, right? And he really created a disruptive model na naka-align not only for the builders but also for the masses, for the everyday people just like you and me, no? Ang nakakatuwa, ang katandem niya at ang kasama niya sa team, no, are these people na talaga namang passion driven. They are focused on helping people. So let's start off with Dr. Ryan Goodkin, our Director of Product Development, our formulator na merong background as a pharmacist and as a natural health practitioner. And sinasabi niya lagi that he formulate the products not to sell but for his family to use, and he just want to share it with the world. And since yun ang main thing niya, he made sure that he is very thorough, very detailed sa lahat ng ingredients ng mga product natin. So we could be rest assured that our products are herbicides-free, toxic-free, pesticide-free, at chemical-free, no? Yan. So kilala niya mga farmers, alam niya kung paano extract yung mga ingredients, and talagang we could be rest assured that malinis ang mga ingredients na nilalagay sa mga products. And we also have Lisa Goodkin, ang kanyang may bahay, the Director of Product Education. And if I have to describe this lady, she embodies health and wellness and fitness. No? She walks the talk, she walks the walk, she talks the talks. Talagang if you want to know how to have a healthy lifestyle, a healthy living, anong proper diet, Lisa is very responsive, and talaga namang she will teach you how you're going to do it. Ano ba ang dapat nating ipasok sa katawan? Ilang content? Ano ba yung mga activities mo? Yan. Yan sila. And hindi sila bago sa ganitong, sa health and wellness. They are not network marketers, pero when it comes to health, wellness, and fitness, alam niyo po, meron silang a health clinic, no? So we could be rest assured that they know what they are doing. And of course, we have Noader Kazan, the Director of Field Development, the icon of in the network marketing, and a legend, no? Yan ang BFF ni Ben Glinsky. He mentored a lot of people. He trained a lot of people. He helped a lot of people. He is a philanthropist. And his energy is really very contagious. Siya ang nangulit kay Ben to come up with this concept. They've been talking about it ever since. Nasala merong isang company na gumawa na magkaroon ng access sa mga tao na affordable products with the highest quality, na affordable, na hindi i-break ang kanilang bank account. Then at the end of the day, sila din ang nag-conceptualize nito. And the mission of the company is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Yan ang pinaka-mission ng company. And we started with high-quality, organic, certified, very affordable, natural products. Take note, we are a membership club. Pero bakit, Janet, ini-introduce mo health and wellness? Are we a health and wellness company? No, we're not. But the reason why we started with health and wellness product, it is because people are not conscious anymore of their health. Nati-take for granted, binabaliwala na ang health, no? Totoo yan. Kaya, eto, inumpisahan dito. And you know what? Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko sa inyo that health is not a passing trend. It should be a commitment to yourself. It should not be a passing trend. Kailangan i-commit mo ang sarili mong magpaka-healthy. Especially if you are the breadwinner. No? I would just like to tell you a little backstory story, no? Kahapon ko lang to napanood. There was the show that I watched. So it's a Filipino show. Tinanong siya, breadwinner siya. Nagpaaral siya ng anak, and then tinanong siya na, paano mo nagagampanan lahat yan? How do you take care of yourself? Ang sabi, hindi ko po alam. So, ibig sabihin, ang mga breadwinner, kadalasan sa pag-focus, no, sa family, nakakalimutan na nilang alagaan ang kanilang sarili. So, with you, if you are the breadwinner of the family, then it is very important for you to take care of yourself. Ngayon, kayo naman po na halimbawa kayo yung inaalagaan because yung ate nyo, yung nanay nyo is the breadwinner of the family. Kung wala po siyang time, kayo naman po ang mag-alaga sa kanya by reminding her that, hey, Nay, you have to take care of your health. Very important po yon, no? I just want to highlight this today because alam niyo po, ganun ang breadwinner talaga. Sa passion nilang tulungan yung yung kanilang family, nakakalimutan talagang alagaan yung sarili. So right now I would like to remind especially you, the breadwinners, that you also have to prioritize your health kung gusto mo talagang hindi pabayaan ang family mo, right? Yan. And of course, yung ating mga products, again, they are made with the highest quality at the lowest price, and of course, they are USDA approved, GMP certified, and of course, my certificate of analysis. No, yung USDA approved, very strict ang US pagdating sa ganyan. No, it made sure na talagang dapat USDA approved yan. And ang ating product, ang USDA approval, hindi lang bawat product, bawat ingredient ng product, no? They are USDA certified. And it made sure that they are also GMP certified, good manufacturing practice or good manufacturing products na talagang sinusunod na from the people behind it, yung mga nagtatrabaho, from the people na from the product, yung ingredients ng product, yung location ng product, it should be with the highest standard at naka-align sa regulation ng US, no? And aside from that, we have the lowest price. Highest quality, lowest price. And to prove that, ito ngayon ipapakita ko po sa inyo 3 of our products versus sa mga competitor natin. Take note na usually ang traditional way is that a product is being manufactured $8 to $12 yan ang costs. Pag pinasok mo sa isang network marketing, nagma-markup yan ng 10 to 12 to even 15 times. Bakit? Para may pambayad sila sa mga distributors, no? Yan. So, dito sa Live Good, no? We disrupted that kasi alam niyo po, we are doing away with price gouging, overpriced product. And to prove that, ito po yung 3 products na sinasabi natin versus a competitor. We have the Super Greens, no? Super Greens, Power Pack Greens na talaga namang napakaganda for overall health, no? For gut support. And kung kayo ay hindi nagkakakain ng gulay, this is the best supplement that you could have. You have all the greens na andyan na napaka-importante. You have moringa, the miracle plant, no? You have spirulina, you have dandelion, you have wheatgrass, you have barley, and so on and so forth for only $18 versus sa competitor natin, $99.99. Okay? We also have protein. So ang protein, napakahalaga po yan. The one sign of aging is muscle loss. And we need to take our protein supplement. Alam niyo po, ang pagtanda, normal lang yan eh. But okay naman pag i-delay siya, di ba? Sabi nga, aging is a privilege, but doing it gracefully is an art. So we want to age gracefully, right? So we need supplementation. And napakaganda ng ating protein because it has the powerful amino acids, pea protein and hemp protein, and so more, and a lot more for only $22 versus sa ating competitors, $62.95. Okay? Ayan, another very amazing na product natin, we have collagen peptides. Alam niyo po, napakahalagang, I'm sorry, but ano nangyari ito? Napakahalagang supplement ang collagen natin, no? because it holds the body together. Alam niyo po, it is also, ang collagen is a billion-dollar industry. Alam niyo po ba yun? Merong isang company na ang pinopromote lang. A lot of companies actually are promoting collagen because it's a billion-dollar industry. Bakit? Kasi they have realized that collagen is very important. No? Collagen makes it's the one that holds the body together. Kaya pag makikita nyo, ang benefits ng collagen is actually yung main 6 benefits niya, it improve the skin and health, no? Kasi kailangan natin that as we age, as early as 2020, as early as 25, nagde-deplete na or your collagen becomes weak. So ang nangyayari, yung elasticity ng skin natin, no? How would you prove na bumababa yung collagen mo? Nagkakaroon ng wrinkles, nagkakaroon ng sagging skin, nagkakaroon ng dry skin, no? So ang collagen, that's the one that is makes it elastic, no? Ayan. And of course, second, the benefit niyan, it could also give you stronger bones and muscles. It could, alam niyo po ba na it could also promote heart health, no? Kasi yung arteries natin, pag nadideplete yan at becomes weak, nagiging narrow. So kung nagiging narrow yung mga arteries natin, very prone ka na sa heart attack. No? And of course, yun nga, other than that is that it could also good for your hair and nails. Bakit? Meron tayo ng tinatawag na we have this, ang collagen kasi is also very important. It is the building block of the dermis. Yung dermis, ito yun, no? Yung dermis is the layer na nandito sa yung hair dito, no? Yung kung saan nakakabit yung roots ng hair mo. Ngayon, pag kulang ka sa collagen, ang nangyayari, it doesn't hold anymore, nagkakaroon ka ng hair fall. At the same time, nakikita ang dermis doon sa iyong nail beds, no? Yan. So, ang nangyayari, pag hindi na yan nakadikit, no? So, madali, very brittle na yung nails natin. So, collagen is truly very important. Kaya nga tinawag natin that the collagen, it is something that holds the body together. Actually, it came from the Greek word kolla, which means glue, no? So, ang dami. And actually, merong bagong research pa dyan ang collagen na ngayon, it is also good for, for gut health. Yung new research ngayon na benefit ng collagen, it is good for gut health. It is also good for weight loss. Alam niyo po ba yun? And of course, it also supports the brain and health. Yan, brain health, no? Yan. Okay, so for only 27.95 versus 79.96 compared sa competitor natin. These 3 products alone will make you save $74.95, meaning $1 saved is $1 earned. So ibig sabihin, pag ganyan ang natitipid mo, well, life-changing na yan. Then that is already value for money. Dahil yung $174.95 na yan, pwede mo ng pang-grocery, right? So, $1 save is $1 earned. Pag ganyan na ang savings mo, then ang laki. And it makes you really save a lot. And pag sinabi mo na $1 save is $1 earn, parang mo na rin kita yan. Yung 174.95, wow, pamalengke mo na yan, right? Yan, kaya pala ang ganda natin, sabi ni Ma'am Pinky, collagen is the secret. Yes, and sabi ni Ma'am Marilyn, tinitipid sarili, maibigay lang kailangan ng iba. Which should not, yes ma'am, which should not be the case. Diba? Ayan, okay? Ayan, thank you Miss Michelle, syempre. Ayan, of course, we have to, actually, na-discuss na ni Coach Michelle almost everything dun sa ating, dun sa ating products, no? Kasi very important yung products, no? We really have to discuss it para makita ninyo that ang products natin hindi lang just, hindi lang basta-basta, 'di ba? Ang tawag ni Coach Fernando, hindi lang pocho-pocho. We really have these products na seryosong finormulate siya. And one of the products na gusto kong i-highlight ngayon is the International Wellness Pack because this is a very essential pack, no? And ang shipping po free and it is being shipped globally, no? Ano ang laman ng International Wellness Pack? Ito, very powerful products and very essential. Number 1, the bioactive multivitamin for men and women. Multivitamin for men and women, magkaiba because men need selenium and lycopene and women needs what? Iron. So, especially when you are aging na, naku po, grabe yung menstrual loss natin, no? So the lycopene and selenium will help them for their prostate health, and ang iron naman will help to compensate yung menstrual loss sa women. Kaya magkaiba ang vitamin nila. Of course, we have D3K2, the sunlight vitamin, the vitamin for immune support, the vitamin for to support the bone as well. And alam nyo po, when you lack sunlight, bakit po kami napaka-prone ngayon sa colds and cough? It is because hindi kami nasisinaga ng araw. Yun ang nagagawa ng vitamin D. It would support, it would make your immune system stronger, no? Alam niyo po, our body is the best doctor. But in order for your body to function well, you have to have a strong immune system. That is why we need supplementation. Diba? Yan. So we also have ultramagnesium complex, which is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. At pag kulang ka sa magnesium, it would lead you to serious illnesses. Like high blood pressure, cardiovascular health, anxiety, na nako, very prominent ang anxiety ngayon. You know, yung anxiety, it causes imbalances no? Kaya kung minsan hindi ka nakakapag-isip ng maayos, well, there must be something wrong in your system. Kaya nati-trigger ang iyong anxiety. And we need magnesium, no? And the good news about our magnesium is that it is magnesium glycinate. And ang glycinate, maganda siya because madaling i-absorb ng katawan. And I saw one doctor promoting, oh, you need to take magnesium. I think it's Dr. H. Pinopromote niya yung magnesium, no? And kung kulang ka sa magnesium, again, it would lead you to this illnesses na talagang baka mamaya it's too late for you na na sasabihin mo na dapat pala nag-take ako ng magnesium. Kaya tayo, everyone, let's be proactive, not reactive, no? Huwag nyo nang antayin na may symptoms na sumakit yung sikmura nyo at ma-diagnose kayo. No? Just supplement yourself because supplementation is non-negotiable. Of course, we have another one. Ayan, nabanggit na natin ang super greens kanina. Ngayon, meron naman tayong super reds, which is good for our cardiovascular health. And very important po ito, no? Alam niyo, there is this molecule in our body which is the nitric oxide. Na pag yan, hindi na maayos, no? Ang nangyayari is that pag hindi na nagpa-function yung molecule na yan, syempre, it would lead you to weak heart, di ba? So, napaka-importante because the super reds has this ingredient na very powerful to improve our nitric oxide. And pag na-improve yung pag-function niyan, syempre it could also improve your blood flow, 'di ba? Pag nag-improve yung blood flow mo, of course, magiging normal yung function ng heart mo, no? Yan, very important. Okay, we also have factor 4. Binibigay ko lang po yung highlights ng mga function ng mga yun, but actually there is more since Coach Michelle discussed it very thoroughly. So hina-highlight ko lang yung ating yung mga bawat function ng product. We also have factor 4 anti-inflammatory product. Very important yan. Why? Because inflammation is the root cause of all diseases. And ang inflammation nangyayari sa loob ng katawan. What is good about our factor 4 is hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, kundi 4 na ingredients na anti-inflammatory ingredients na usually binibili mo separately. No? Ano yon? Garlic, fish oil, CoQ10, and curcumin. And gaya po ng sabi ko, lahat ng root ko o lahat ng diseases nagro-root sa inflammation. And ang inflammation nangyayari sa loob. When you have colds and cough, ano ang natitrigger dyan? Ano ang inflame? It is your membrane sa nose lining mo, no? Kaya remember the last time na nag-present ako, medyo inuubo ako at may sore throat? Nag-megadose ako kasi you could take as high as 6 capsules a day. 2 days, done na. Okay na ako. Yung kasabayan ko dito sa bahay, yung isang tenant dito, 2 linggo na, hindi pa gumagaling. Kaya nagtaka siya sa akin. Sabi ko, what did you take? I just saw you had a sore throat the other day. Siyempre, ako naman si Model. I take factor 4. O, di ayun. Mag-order siya. Ganun lang. Diba? So, these 6 products for only 99.95 free shipping. Diba? Nakakatuwa. You have to be the product of the product. Kasi pag nakita nila that you are improving, that is life-changing. No? Yan. And then, sige, first, you share the product, and then second, you share the business. That is how we do it. Yeah? Ayan, ito, para mas lalong ma-appreciate nyo. Pakikitaan ko kayo ng isang slide uli. Isang product from the other company. Hanapin nyo to. It's 99.95 versus our products. 7 products for only 99.95. Pag nakita mo ba to, tanong, ikaw ba ay pupunta pa doon sa isang product na 99.95, isa lang? Sige nga. 'Di ba? Kaya pag nakita mo ang Live Good, naku po, sabi nga, once you see Live Good, you cannot unsee it. Especially pag nakita mo ang quality sales natin. Naku po, ewan ko na lang kung titingin ka pa sa iba. Di ba? Yan, ganun po kaganda ang Live Good. And that is why we are crazy about Live Good. That is why we love Live Good, because Live Good is living good. Di ba? Ito pa, oh. Hydration amplifier, we need this. Why? Dahil nadideplete din ang ating electrolytes. With all the stresses in the world, in our everyday life, alam mo ba na ang stress nakaka-deplete ng electrolytes? Also, pag ikaw ay nag-i-smoke, nag-i-yose, nakaka-deplete ng electrolytes yan. Ano kung depleted ang electrolytes mo? Ano ba magagawa sa akin? Di mainitin ang ulo mo, ang dami mong toxin sa katawan, lagi kang galit, kaya pag nakakita kayo ng taong laging galit, offeran nyo ng hydration amplifier, malamang dehydrated yan. O kaya pag nag-exercise ka yan, ayan, nadideplete din, no? Kaya pag offeran nyo na lang, mainitin ang ulo mo, darling. Ayan, hydration amplifiers. Hindi na enough na umiinom tayo ng tubig because our tubig is also hindi na healthy. Dumadaan yan ng ilang stages. In fact, nasusunog na yan. Kaya napaka-importante that we also have to take this supplement, no? And alam nyo, pag hydrated ka, maganda ang mood mo, maganda ang skin mo, maganda ang rhythm ng heart mo, maganda pati blood pressure mo, maganda lahat. Maganda pati ang tingin mo sa mundo because hydrated ka nga. Yan. Okay? Yan. At nagiging stable ang blood pressure mo. Saan ka, pag kulang ka sa electrolyte, syempre, pag hindi stable ang blood pressure mo, syempre, ninenervyos ka. Mainitin ang ulo mo. Di ba? Yan. Lagi kang worried. Nai-stress tumataas na naman yung stress mo. O, wala na. Di ba? Yan. Of course, we have our organic protein, no? Yung plant-based protein natin na talaga namang napakaganda, no? Ayan, ito yung 30-day supply. Kanina kasi 15-day yung nakabattle. Yun yung old packaging natin, di ba? Ayan. Okay, so ano pa ito? Ano yung sabi ni Ma'am Michelle Tuyot? Oo, di ba? Yan. Okay, so ano pa? Ito, Lynn, ako may BFF. Ayan. Sige, tumawa kayo. Alam ko, nararamdaman ko kayo tawa ng tawa. Ala, si Ma'am Janet, oh, tingnan mo. Okay lang, sige lang, i-bash nyo ako kahit sa chat. Ganyan po, okay lang yun kasi ngayon hindi na ako ganyan. No? Yan. Pero okay lang kasi alam nyo po, as we age nga po, lalo na po kami, when you are on your 40s, ang pagtangkad ganito na eh, hindi na pag ganun. No? Although there are a lot of weight loss supplements in the market, pero ang ano kasi, ang mahal, tapos ang daming side effect, pumupunta ka sa washroom ng every 5 minutes, o kaya ihi ka ng ihi. It's either diuretic yan or laxative. The good news about our lean, actually, ang pinopromote niya, hindi yung weight loss. Ang pinopromote niya is you burn fats without losing your muscles. No? So, ibig sabihin, pag pumayat ka, hindi saging yung skin mo. Pag pumayat ka, talagang kinukontour niya. 'Di ba? Ang tawag lagi ni Miss Michelle sa akin, sis, hugis bigas ka na. So, ibig sabihin noon, hugis siopaw ako. Hindi lang talaga niya ako madiretso. Kaya pag tinatanong ko, ano ibig sabihin ng hugis bigas? Ayan, di ba? Noon, hugis siopaw. Di ba? Ayan. So, very powerful ang lean because it has this very important ingredients na talaga namang it will help, yan, yung caralluma, ini-expand niya yung stomach mo para masuppress yung appetite. We also have Chadivugre, berberine, Ozempic in nature. Ayan, ginagamit din yan ng mga diabetic, no? Yung drug na Ozempic, in-inject po yan. Pero we have this, kaya pwede po ito, hindi lang to lose weight, but also for person with diabetes, no? Ayan, and we have glucomannan. Kaya, Lean BCIF is my BFF. Ano yung BCIF ulit? It's body composition, improved formula. Yan. So, I went on my 90-day run. So, hindi pa natin na-achieve yung talagang gusto nating weight. But, Naku po, life-changing na. Kung makikita niyo yung mga, ganyan, yung picture na yan, di ba? Yan na lang yung katibayan, no? Hindi naman ako buntis, pero mukha naman akong buntis. Kapareho yung, tingnan niyo yung itsura ko dyan, no? Yung tiyan ko, kapareho nung size nung, ano ko, breast ko, di ba? Ayan, binash na ang sarili. Now, ngayon, hindi na. Kaya po ako, hindi po ako nagsusuot talaga ng, ano ha, crop top. Kaya ako lang po pinakita yan, just to show how powerful yung products natin. Alam ko, Miss Michelle, tawa ka ng tawa na naman dyan kayo ni Pinky eh. Di ba? Ayan. So, anyway. Ayan, okay. Ayan, okay. So, ito, him behave. Andito ako sa Zoom. Ayan. Himalayan Shilajit and Organic Simo. So, napakaganda din po nitong Shilajit, no? For hormone balance and thyroid support. Of course, for sexual health and fertility. Maganda din for cholesterol and heart health. Ang maganda sa ating Shilajit is merong Simos. Ayan. And naku po, basahin nyo na lang yung benefits ng Shilajit ha, kasi baka hindi tayo matapos sa Zoom, no? Pero napakaganda ng product na to. Merong isang nag-testimony nito, no? Pero it's on another, I don't know, different brand. She is 94 years old, pero ang itsura niya parang 30. How would you like that? O, wala pang simos yun. Ito merong simos. Nako, talagang, alam nyo na kung anong kahihinatnan natin pagtanda natin, di ba? And of course, we have chlorophyll and zeolite. Maganda ito. We also need to detox because we are not guaranteed na ang nakakain natin are laging healthy. So we usually take this before bedtime, no? Yan. So, bakit bedtime? Para mag-bind yung toxin, pagdating ng umaga, i-eliminate mo siya. Yun ang kagandahan yan. And of course, it could also support yung ating energy, good for clearer skin and immune function. And you know, basically, yung mga other products pa, no, binibigyan ng emphasis on the brain and on the gut. Yung ating mga products to brain health, lose weight loss. Bakit? Yung brain natin kasi very important yan eh. It could help you to, alam mo, pag tama yung yung brain mo, 'di ba? Nakakapag-decide ka ng tama, nakakapag-solve ka ng problema ng tama. So, naka-focus sila more on brain. Pag bumigay yung brain mo, bumigay yung gut mo, wala na. Hindi ka na normal. And I have to say that directly to you. Totoo po 'yan. And you have to do the natural and organic way. Kahit kung may insurance kayo, kahit po libre pa, iba pa rin kasi iba pa rin yung nagsusupplement ka because you are working on the root cause. You are not working on the symptoms. I am sorry to say po ha, pero talagang ako fan ng organic and natural even before Live Good. Right after nagkasakit yung anak ko. Ay, hindi na ako ano sa pharmaceutical or meds, no? Yan. Okay, so Amazon is this. I'm sorry, Live Good is the Amazon of social marketing. It will be the Amazon of network marketing. We are just a baby Amazon. And of course, you have to take note that we are not a health and wellness company. We are a membership club. And kaya nilang siyang Live Good because of the result of COVID and the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare, because we believe that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Mas maganda maging proactive than reactive. Diba? Ayan. Ayan, sabi ni Coach Fernan, good morning DMW family. Ayan. Okay. Oo nga ma'am eh, Ma'am Eden, mukha akong bagong panganak. Hindi naman ako buntis dun sa picture, no? Oo, ganun nga. Ayan. And of course, Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale store. Bakit? Well, of course, nag-level up na tayo, no? Ang tag nito, digital na tayo. Kailangan sumabay tayo sa era, no? We are already in the digital age. We are already in social media. Kaya talagang li-level up ka na rin, no? Lahat i-level up mo. Even in doing the business. So, we just started with health and wellness. Ang maganda is we will be tapping other industries like travel, no? Household products, skincare. It will be launched this month, right? This month, diba? Yan, this week. Ayan, ay sorry, ayan, na-excite lang po ako sa ating skincare kasi it is another industry na talaga namang namamayagpag, no? Alam nyo kung ano yung industry na malakas ngayon bumenta, skincare, di ba? Pampakinis, pampaputi, o di ba? Pero yung ating skincare, natural, organic yan. We have four. The toner, moisturizer, tightener, at saka yung glow. So, nako, excited ako dyan. Aabangan ko every minute, aabangan ko na yan ngayon. Ayan, pakitingin nga, baka andyan na. Ayan. Water filters, and of course, other online services. So, alam nyo po, no excuse na hindi ka maging member ng company na to because unang-una, you could enjoy all the products. Ang intention ng Live Good is to put everything in our membership for a value of, nako po, mayan na. Malalaman nyo na kung anong value niya, di ba? And I will give you more reasons. Kanina, yung first slide ko, why Live Good. Ngayon, i-highlight natin yung 6 na reasons why you have to join Live Good. Amazing products. We have 27 products. Ngayon, more to come. Second reason, incredible wholesale pricing. Incredible ba? Oo naman, very incredible. No? Wholesale yung pricing, wala tayong price gouging. Kahit na ikumpara po ninyo, walang mas mababa. With the same quality ha, with the same quality sales. Huwag nyo ikukumpara yung, itong product na to, mas mura, i-check mo. Meron bang certificate analysis? I-check mo. Meron bang USDA approval? I-check mo. Meron bang GMP approval? Yan ang titignan po natin, no? Kung wholesale din yung product mo, no? 3, 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Ayan, pag ayaw mo yung product, hindi nakatulong sa'yo, anong sabi ng ating CEO? We don't want to take your money if the product doesn't work. Of course, number 4, we have nothing to buy or sell. You are not compelled to buy. You are not compelled to sell. And no auto shipping. Bakit kami bumibili? Because we love the products. Bakit kami bumibili? Dahil effective yung products. Yung sciatic ako, nawala na. Diba? And then, yun nga, yung collagen talaga namang, ayan, si Ma'am Pinky, tumubo yung kanyang hair. She used to have alopecia. Si Coach Michelle, sa kanyang, sa weight loss din niya, di ba? Nakatulong. And also me, ang dami pa talaga. Like kahit na mag-ano tayo ngayon, alam ko ang dami yung testimony about that, di ba? Yan. So may alopecia siya. Ayun. Okay. And of course, fifth reason, powerful compensation plan. And number 6, we have timing. It just launched. Sabi nga, timing is everything. Alam niyo, marireassure ko sa inyo ngayon, you are the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person for this company? Well, you will be the right person kung nakuha mo yung mission at vision ng company. Diba? Yan. So, Live Good is the number 1 business to join. And bakit? Well, number 1 din tayo, no? Check businessforhome.org. Sino ang number 1 in momentum? It's Live Good. And network builders, network marketers are joining. Sa umpisa, titignan nila, it's so good to be true. Walang ganyan. 25 cents lang yan. $25 lang. But the moment they realize what we have here is compounding, the moment that they realize that we don't have auto ship products, we don't have product monthly purchases requirement, nako po, mag-uunahan yan. Diba? Yan. So, pretty soon, Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. Tatandaan nyo yan. No? And ang time frame po natin, nako po, ilang years tumagal si Amazon, ilang years tumagal si Netflix, at namamayagpag pa sila. Well, nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. We haven't started the engine yet. We're just getting started. We haven't scratched the surface yet. Kaya, sa mga nag-iisip pa at nag-aalangan, nako po, maghunos dili kayo at pag-isipan nyo uli, bumalik po kayo, mag-refresh po kayo. No? Yan. Now, being with Live Good, napakadali lang. You could have 2 options, member and an affiliate. If you just want to enjoy the membership, pay 9.95 per month or 99.95 per month. Best value yon dahil meron kayong 20% discount. Now, if you want to have a global business, if you want na malibre yung products na bibilin mo, bakit ko sasabihin na malilibre yon? Well, because we have a very powerful compensation plan na later on, yung income mo, syempre, mas malaki na kaysa dun sa bibilin mong products monthly. Kaya talagang you will get to enjoy it. Nangyayari na eh, 'di ba? Naku, ilan na ang kumikita ng thousands of dollars or even hundreds, no? So sabihin mo, oh, expenses yan. No. If you do the business, if you are an affiliate with only 49.95 or 139.95, you have a global business. Hindi mo na problemahin yung subscription mo. And you have, what else? You will have your breakthrough, your health breakthrough, and financial breakthrough. Yan ang benefit mo being an affiliate. Is it a heavy entry package? No. $49.95 heavy entry package, 3,000 or 139.95 for a global business. Negosyo na global in 200 countries. Nako po, pag yan, ginagamitan mo pa ng sobrang analysis, nako, hindi ikaw yung potential na entrepreneur. So, pag ito po, tignan nyo, it's only like, actually, hindi nga makabili ng bag yung 3,000 if you really want to have a good product, bag, di ba? Pero ito, negosyo mo na. And the good news is that, ito, hindi lang ang health mo ang ano dito ang fino-focus natin, kundi yung financial health mo, financial status, yung financial freedom, no? Yan, is it possible? Of course, because our compensation plan is very powerful. And to join to join as a member and affiliate, you only need to grab the link of the person that invited you here today, no? And also sa nag-share doon sa FB Live, no? And that's it. Yun lang kailangan mo. And just be a member, just be an affiliate. But I highly recommend you to be an affiliate. Why? Because we have 7 ways to earn. We will be focusing on the first 3 buckets dahil yun ang pinaka main thing natin. And the 4, 5, 6, 7, dadaanan po natin yan. But we will be focusing on these 3 buckets, no? Ayan. Okay, let's go sa 7 ways to earn natin, no? Para mabilis tayo. Actually, this is the highlight of the presentation, the compensation plan. Now, what I want you to realize, itong compensation plan natin is very simple, doable, and duplicatable, and generous, no? Ayan. Oh, sabi ni Ma'am Eden pala, nawala, yellowish yung skin ko, nawala. Thank you, Lord. Oh, imagine. Product testimony lang po yan, ha? Okay, so moving forward, let's go. First way to earn the weekly fast start commissions. Obviously, weekly, binibigay yan. Weekly, right? So, ngayon, meron kang ipapasok until Thursday ng 12 midnight ng US time. And then cut off po natin yan. Then you will be receiving your fast start commission next week. Paano yan? Every person na nag-enroll ng 49.95, successful enrollment, shinare mo sa isang tao na kasing galing mo, kasing ganda mo, kasing sipag mo, may pangarap, may malalim na dahilan at gustong mabago ang buhay. For only $49.95, nag-enroll siya. You as the sponsor get $25, which is 1,400 pesos, no? Which is, sa Pilipinas, mga 2 days na salary na yan. Magkano ang ano ngayon, minimum wage, right? 600. So, 2 days. So, you are at the comfort of your home, you share it, nagustuhan niya dahil health conscious siya, nagustuhan niya dahil gusto din niya ng work from home, or gusto din niyang i-career ito, $25. So, ibig sabihin, if you refer 10, 25 times 10, that's $250. Fast start commission, fast start bonus na makukuha mo next week. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Walang masyadong salita. $49.95, 50% commission, $25, diba? Okay. Ngayon, hindi lang dyan nagtatapos ang fast start dahil dito, pwede kang mag-rank up, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ang ranks natin dito. Ngayon, pag nag-rank up ka, lumalaki yung fast start commission mo at lumalalim up to 10 levels deep. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ikaw po. And then nag-share ka, yung first rank natin, bronze. How to become bronze? 2 tao lang. You share it with the most Important people in your life, yung alam mo na kaya mong masipag, na gusto din niya o naghahanap din siya ng isang oportunidad na talagang life-changing, shinare mo sa dalawa, ngayon, bronze ka. Nasa bronze rank ka. Now, paano mo makukuha itong 10% na to na sinasabi na nasa second level? Sino yung mga nasa second level na yan? Siyempre, yung dalawa pong inisponsoran po ninyo, gagayahin ka po nila, aba, Ma'am Eden, gusto ko ding mag-bronze. Okay, so pag nag-bronze sila, nag-sponsor ng tigda-dalawa, they get their $25 at ikaw po na hindi nag-sponsor directly, meron ka pong 10%. That is $5. Anong effort mo? Hindi ikaw ang nag-share, but you benefit. So we have this powerful team building structure, no? Na napakaganda. Yan, ganun kaganda po ang ating, nako, business plan. And as we rank up, ayan, hindi lang 50%, hindi lang 10%, we have 5%, we have 3%, 2%, 1%. So once you reach the diamond rank na talagang, you could say that the diamond rank is the freedom rank, no? Once na andyan ka na, you get 10 levels deep na fast start commission, no? Yan, hindi tayo magko-compute ng math ngayon, no? So, ano to, dinaanan lang po natin. So, you have your back office, andyan lahat yung computation once you become an affiliate. Ngayon, second way to earn is the matrix commission. Lahat tayo, pag pumasok sa Live Good, aside from the membership, we are given a matrix tree. No? Lahat tayo may sariling matrix. At ang matrix natin is powered by the 2x12 up to 2x15 matrix. Paano, Janet, yung 2x12? Power of 2. First level mo 2. Second level mo is 4. Third level is 8. Fourth level is 16. And so on and so forth. Laging power of 2 yan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1028, and so on and so forth. Na, sa umpisa pa lang, di ba, 2x12 tayo. Pag napuno yung level 12 mo, you will have 8,192 members. Ngayon, paano kakikita sa Matrix Commission? Each person na andyan sa matrix mo na nagbabayad ng 9.95 subscription per month, meron kang 2.5% or 25 cents, 14 pesos. Bawat tao, no? Bawat tao na nagsusubscribe na pumapasok sa matrix mo. Janet, kailangan ba sa akin lahat manggaling ang nasa matrix ko? It could be direct and indirect po, no? So meron yung mga time na meron tinatawag na spillover. So bonus po ang spillover. Okay? One thing that you have to note about matrix commission, number one, it is a retirement income. So kailan mapupuno yung matrix? It will develop over time. Pangalawa, there could be possible na may spillovers ka. Pwedeng mabilis, pwedeng mabagal. Take note about spillovers. Spillovers are bonuses. And I am saying it loud. Okay? Bonuses po yan. No? Okay. So, pag napuno yan, again, 8,192 times 0.25 cents. Time frame, hindi po natin alam kung kailan. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo na mabilis ang pag-fill in ng matrix, then we will do the third way, the next way. Kasi ang matrix commission is the slow way to build your Live Good business. This is the weakest part of the compensation plan. Okay? So, bago natin i-share yung pangatlo, ito yung just a random, no? Yung potential income ng matrix commission that you could earn 2,047.50 up to 16,383.50 pag, take note ha, pag napuno ang matrix. Ngayon, ilan uli? Pag napuno yung 12 levels mo, it's 8,192 para magkaroon ka ng 2,047.50. Paano nangyari yan? 8,192 members times 0.25 equals 2,047.50. Okay? So, it gets better pag nag-rank up ka, basta may pumapasok na nagbabayad sa matrix 3 mo, then meron ka laging 25 cents. No? Ayan. So, take note that sinabi ko na, ang matrix commission is the retirement income. Now, itong nakikita nyo na figures na to, 2,047 up to 16,383 are potential income. projected income. Yung possible na pwede mong kitain kung, take note of the word kung napuno na ang matrix. Ngayon, the good thing about our matrix commission, kahit na hindi puno ang matrix mo, bibigyan ka pa rin ng matrix commission. Regardless kung isang tao yan, kung dalawang tao, hindi na naghihintay na kailangan mapuno yung matrix. 10 tao, 25 cents times 10, then you have $2.50. Ganun yun. 1,000 na tao, pwede. So, kahit iisa, ibibigay sa'yo. Walang antayan. Diba? Ayan. Okay. So, number 3, matching bonuses. Ito na. Dito kayo makinig. The matching bonuses is by far the most exciting part of the Live Good compensation plan. Bakit? Because, ito, sa matching bonuses, every person na i-sponsoran mo, pag-sharean mo ng Live Good, no? Will open the gateway for the matching bonuses. Paano? Okay. So, nag-direct ka. Ngayon, di ba sila may matrix income? Dahil meron din silang sariling matrix, meron ka, di ba? Yan. So, since ikaw ang direct sponsor nila, pag yan, syempre, gagayahin ka nila no? Pag yan, nagkaroon ng matrix income, at ikaw ang direct sponsor, 50% ng matrix income nila, tatapatan ni Live Good. Tatapatan, match, tapat, match. Hindi po left and right, no? Walang match, hindi ganun yung natin, matching bonus natin. Tatapatan ni Live Good ang 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo. Now, it gets better. Kasi bukod dun sa 50%, once na nag-rank up ka sa silver, may additional kang 10% sa first and second generation mo sa lahat ng affiliates na silver. Okay? And ito pa, once you become gold, at merong gold doon sa iyong matrix then on your up to third generation, babayaran ka uli ng 3%. Tama ba? 5%, no? Platinum hanggang fourth generation, 5%. And pag diamond, additional 3%. So, paano yun? Pag may diamond ka, and diamond din siya, then ang binabayaran sa iyo is that may 50% ka na, may 10% ka na, silver, may 5%, may 5%, and may 3%. So, ibig sabihin nun, the more na nagra-rank up ka, kahit isang tao, binabayaran ka ilang beses. Depende sa rank niya. So, halimbawa, diamond ka, and then platinum, yung nasa organization mo, nasa third generation mo. So, binabayaran ka ng company sa kanya, sa whoever is your indirect or direct upline. Depende kung nasa ang generation. Kung platinum, yung rank niya as bronze, yung rank niya as, I'm sorry, not bronze, yung rank niya as silver, yung rank niya as gold, yung rank niya as platinum. So, 3 yun. Iisang tao. Paano kung ang dami-dami mong tao? Di ba exciting? Ganun po kaganda ang matching bonus. Kaya po dito po tayo nakafocus kasi once you focuses on sharing this, then nafe-feel din yung matrix mo. So pag nakafocus ka on doing this, you will be on top of the compensation plan. Na ma-maximize mo yung compensation plan from the fast start bonus, matrix commission, matching bonus, and generational bonuses. Kaya nga po sinasabi ko po, this is the fast way to earn. This is the fast way to build your business. Because once na dito ka nakafocus, pati yung matrix mo na fill upan. Huwag kang magpo-focus doon sa 25 cents. Ay, may spill over pala. Aantayin ko nga. 25 cents lang po yun. Paano kung yung nasa itaas mo nag-aantay din? Nag-aantayan na kayo lahat. Nako po. Kaya dito po kayo mag-focus, inuulit ko po, dito po sa matching bonus. All you have to do is just become an affiliate, enjoy the products. When you enjoy it, just share. Be contagious in sharing it. Share the whole business. Okay? Sa umpisa, yes, share the product. The second time, nako po, you have to be an affiliate. Gusto mo maging libre yung product mo? Nako, gawin mo yung business. Malilibre yan. Di ba? Ganun lang po. Okay? Ayan. So, para mas makita nyo ang power ng matching bonus, ganito. Ayan, nanggaling sa back office to. Isang diamond leader. Example. Ano sinasabi natin sa personally enrolled? 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo sa'yo. So, lahat ng andito po nakikita nyo sa matching bonus, sa inyo po yan. Yung personally enrolled, yan po yung in-enroll nyo personally. Kung nakikita nyo po yung figures dito, 50%, 130 to 25, 50% lang 264.50. 242, ang matrix income ng yung direct, eto 50%, 121.95. Ngayon, merong silver dun sa second generation mo. Anong sinasabi? Sa silver, 10%. Ilan ang 10%? Ng 338. 33.83. Ngayon, meron kang platinum sa first generation mo. Anong sinasabi? 5%. So, 5% ng 338, 16.92. Meron ka uling gold. 5%. Ganun po kaganda. So, lahat ng makikita nyo dyan sa back office later on, no? Matching bonus, yan po ang para sa inyo. Yung matrix po, dyan naka-base kung paano kinompute yung matching bonus, kaya po pinapakita po yan. Okay? Yan. Ang simple, di ba? Ang daling i-analyze ng marketing plan. Retail commissions, o ganito lang po yan. Pag meron kang mga customers o ayaw mag-member, uy, gusto ko yung kape mo. No? O, sige, mag-member. Kaya hindi ko muna mag-member. Ano muna ako? Okay, sige. O, punta ka sa retail site ko kasi may retail site tayo eh. Kasama yun, by the way, sa binayaran natin ha. Wala tayong physical product pero meron tayong digital product. Meron tayong corporate site, retail site, franchising site. Franchising site, yung Turlink site kung saan mo i-share yung business, no? And of course, yung health site natin. Nako, yung funnel. Yan. So, itong retail site, gagamitin natin. Ayaw ko nang mag-member pero gusto ko ng product. Okay, pag nagustuhan ulit, second time, oh gusto ko ng product. Sige, punta ka sa retail site ko ha. Ano yan? Shoplivegood.com. Yan. Eden Ardales. Yan. And then, add to cart ka lang dyan. And then, bayaran mo ng debit card mo. Ayan. And then, i-deliver na ng Live Good sa'yo. Ganun kaganda. Diba? O, nagpagod ka? Hindi. Namuhunan ka? Hindi. Pero, kumita ka? Oo. Paano? Okay. Members price, retail price and members price, yung difference, magkahati kayo ni Livegood. It gets better dahil habang nagra-rank up ka, syempre, lumalaki yung iyong retail commission. No? Yan. Oh, di ba? Ang dali. Hindi mo na kailangan magbitbit. Noon, nung traditional way, alam niyo po, nung niraraket ko yung isang MLM no, no? Naka-high heels pa ako, nasa PLDT ko, dala-dala ko kape, sabon. Minsan natapilok pa ako, yung tubo ko dun sa kape, ginamit ko pang massage ng pako. Ngayon hindi na. Totoo po 'yan, real experience po 'yan sa traditional 12 to 1. Dinidistributan ko ng kape yung mga nasa bangko. Mga teller, kilala ko lahat ng bangko. Pero nung minsan nadapa ako kasi sa Baguio pa ganun. Naka-high heel kami lagi. Wala na. Yung tubo ko, pinampahilot ko na. 'Di ba? Dito hindi mo na kailangan, hindi mo na rin kailangan mamuhunan, no? Ayan, customer acquisition bonuses. Paano 'to? Hindi tayo kumikita sa purchase na product o purchases ng mga downline natin. But, pag nag-purchase sila for the first time, merong customer acquisition bonuses. No? So, pag nag-place sila ng product, 10% of that order is paid out as customer acquisition bonuses. Kagaya siya following the fast start and retail commission. Okay? Influencer bonuses. Ito, pag meron tayong social media site, TikTok, Facebook, ano pa, Snapchat, Instagram, yan. So, bukod doon sa retail commission, once na pinomote mo ang product mo sa yung social media, no? And then, nagkaroon ka ng 2,500 sales per month, yan, example yan na additional 10%, total of 60%. Ngayon, pag nagkaroon ka ng 50,000 retail sales per month, additional 50%, plus yung 50% pa na retail mo, making it 100%. Okay? Ayan. And of course, ayan. So, 7. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na talaga. Ito yung lahat na pinaka-aasam-asam natin. Yung 7th way to earn. To become a diamond. Sino po gusto ang mag-diamond dito? Dubi-dubi-du. Ano yan, Miss Michelle? Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, who wants to be a diamond? Sige nga, para naman, meron kayong participation dyan, no? Yan, mga 830 participants. Sabihin, I want to be or I am. I am na lang, I am. I-declare nyo ng I am a diamond. Okay, so once you become a diamond, alam nyo ba na life-changing yan? No, yan, me, sabi ni Ma'am Magda, sabi ni Ma'am Michelle, me, Brother Roman, me, ayan, Sir Chris Rioveros, me, ayan, salamat po sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, gising na gising pa kayo. Ayan. So once you become a diamond, no, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month, including all memberships. No? Kaya nga lagi natin sinasabi, no? And I am glad na binanggit din ni Coach Nock, no? Totoo 'yun eh na gold is sweet, no? The sweet spot is gold. Ang platinum is life-changing and diamond is freedom talaga. Yan. And once you become a diamond, you get to share in 2% of the total sales. So pag may 15 million sales, kunin yung 2% nun, paghahatian ng bawat diamond. Alam niyo ba, sabi ni Ben and Noder, that in the coming years, papalo ang diamond bonus pool ng yung average na natatanggap ng diamond would be $10,000 per diamond affiliate. Diba? Alam na nila yun. Siyempre, mga ano yung mga yan eh, innovator. They know what they're doing. Diba? Yan. On top of the ano on top of the the fast start, no? So itong diamond rank 2%, iba pa yung fast start, iba pa yung matrix commission, iba pa yung matching bonuses and other commissions, no? And it gets even better because meron pang isang rank, crown diamond, wherein you will also share in a further 0.5% of all sales per month. So we have 3 crown diamonds having a team of 50,000 or more. We have Tim Miller, the first crown diamond of Live Good. We have, of course, our very own and loving and supportive crown diamond leader, Coach Fernan Santiago. And of course, one from Kazakhstan na hanggang ngayon, hirap na hirap akong i-mention yung kanyang name, no? So sila ang naghahati dun sa further 0.5% sales per month. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, thank you, Ma'am Erlene. And of course, KE, Ivy Estrada. Yan, I am a diamond. Me, sabing gano'n. Ngayon, eto na. 7th way to earn, diamond or crown diamond bonus pool, no? So, we have presented, I have presented the 7 ways to earn. So, alam nyo po, Live Good, the future of Live Good is really, alam nyo, ngayon pa lang, wag ko kayo maging short-sighted sa Live Good. You have to think long-term because what we have here is long-term and sustainability. Again, uulitin ko, nabanggit ko na to a few times that Live Good is revolutionary and evolutionary. Revolutionary because it created a revolution, the highest quality at the lowest price. Evolution because nag-evolve ito sa kailangan ng marketplace, which is it made a concept na naka-align sa behaviors and expectations ng marketplace. That is why we are called a revolution and an evolution. Okay? Yan. So, ito, just a few moments para makita nyo how to rank up to bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. You could take a picture of it or you could just check the back office. No? Napakasimple lang to be a bronze, 2 personally enrolled members or affiliates, bronze ka na. Now, dagdagan mo lang yan ng isa, plus a total team of 20, then silver ka, or mag-enroll ka personally ng 10 and a total team of 20, kasama na yung 10, then you are silver. Or, kung kaya mo din lang, dahil napakalupit mo, ang lakas ng impluensya mo, 20 enrolled, silver ka. Okay? Dagdagan, gawin mo lang silver, yung 3 bronze mo, and a total team of 100, gold ka na. Or, dahil nga napakalupit mo, mag-enroll ka lang ng 30 and a total of 100 kasama yung 30 at saka yung mga team nila, then team mo din yon 100. Ngayon, kung wala kang mapa-silver, then basta lahat counted, no? Yan, 30, 30, 30, basta nakaipon ka ng 100, then gold ka. Basta hindi siya iisang lan. It should not exceed 30, no? dun sa isang leg. Now, to become a platinum, gawin mo lang gold, yung 3 silver mo, plus a total team of 500, then you become a platinum. Or, kung kaya mo din lang, 100 directs, and a total of 500, then platinum ka. Or, pag wala kang mapag-gold, wala kang 100 personal enrolled members, gawa ka lang ng ilang separate legs, no? Yung power of 5 na laging tinuturo sa atin ni Coach Fernan, or power of 10. Pwede yan, basta mag-ipon ng 500 in team. No? Not exceeding, magkano ba yun? 150, 150, 150. Basta wag more than 150 ang isang leg, no? Yan. Okay, counted yan. And of course, if you want to be a diamond, gawin mo lang platinum yung 3 gold mo and a total of 2,500. Paano yan? 3 platinum, 1,500 yung isa, 500, 500. Pwede yan. Or kung wala kang mapag-platinum, lahat ng counted, basta hindi siya nag-exceed ng 500 per leg. Diba? Power of 5 or power of 10. Pag power of 5, 500, 500, 500. Pag power of 10, 250, 250, 250. Yan. Then, diamond ka. And of course, pag crown diamond, total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enrolled leg. Okay? Yan. So ito yung one-page presentation natin. You could just screenshot kung gusto nyo po para pag-aralan nyo, or maybe para may sabihin kayo in case na may nakausap ka and they just want to know, kasi meron yung mga iba gustong magtanong. Yung mga iba naman, they are just so interested with the product. So, ang importante is you have this one para lagi kang prepared. Alam niyo po, napaka-importante po. Kaya parang alam niyo po, para hindi kayo kinakabahan, the reason why people are nervous, the reason why people are unsure, it is because they are not prepared. So, this one will help you to prepare the person na pwede mong kausapin. Pero huwag ka mag-present, ha? Like, you just have to use this when it is necessary. So, kung hindi nyo alam pang i-explain, then you could just invite and send them to the Zoom. No? Now, if you know how to explain it, just say this is just a subscription model. We are an evolutionary company in revolution, and maganda yung products namin, kakaiba in the marketplace. We have a very disruptive concept, and then you talk about the subscription model na alam mo, kakaiba, although magaganda ang subscription, pero hindi tayo binabayaran, pero tayo dito sa Livcode babayaran. And you talk about, depende kung interesado siya sa complication is the execution. Complication is the enemy of execution. We have a very simple plan. We have a very simple concept. Do not complicate it. Dahil dito, the only secret, our roadmap to success and live good is just follow the GPS. Get in, plug in, stay in. Get in is just enroll. And then, pagka nag-enroll ka, then what's next? Learn the business. Go to your back office. Develop a skill. And then, attend Zoom trainings. Every day, Zoom sa DMW, and then training on Saturday, bandingan pa on Sunday to keep the team. And also, meron sa ating corporate team. Every Thursday, every Friday, Firestarter Friday, every Wednesday with Nodder, every Monday with Lisa and Dr. Ryan. So, equip yourself with all of these things. That's one way to plug in. Siyempre, negosyo, di ba? Ganun din. Pag nagdinegosyo ka, inaaral-aral mo ang pasikot-sikot. You have to own it. You have to be responsible. You have to take ownership with your business. So, plug in and stay in. Once na naka-plug in ka, hindi na natin pag-uusapan ng stay in because it will be easy. No? Staying in is paying your subscription. Staying in is when you realize that you have a lot of value na hindi na issue ang pagbabayad ng subscription. No? Because you have a very powerful products, amazing products, and you have a very, very powerful business. No? It doesn't take a lot of decision para intindihin ang Livcode actually, di ba? Yan. So, ayan. So, speaking of decision, no? Before we wrap things up, gusto ko lang ipa-realize sa inyo the power of having a good decision. Alam nyo po, among all skills na dapat nyong i-master, the very first step na dapat nyong i-master is to master to have the power of decision, no? Do not analyze too much, no? Alam niyo po kung minsan indecisive tayo no? It would lead you to indecision. Indecision is also a decision. Alam niyo ba, ang indecision is, paano natin sabihin sa Tagalog? Ang indecision is also a decision. Pag sinabi mong indecisive ka, o pag sinabi mong indecision, yung may pag-aalinlangan ka. 'Di ba? So, having an indecision or being indecisive is very risky. Nakakatakot yun kasi lahat na pinagdududahan mo, ina-analyze mo lahat, 'di ba? You are not willing to take risks. In fact, this is a risk-free business. So, kailangan ba ng hard decision to do this business? Dinidesisyonan mo pa ba ang magpaka-healthy? Dinidesisyonan mo pa ba na, 'di ba? Hindi na, like, you know what? Hindi nga kailangan ng hard decision. You just have to decide. 'Di ba? Now, ito ang bigger question. Do you also decide or are you willing to decide na magbago ang buhay mo? 'Di ba? Yan. So, yun ang pagdesisyonan mo, yung mabago ang buhay mo. Because if having indecision or pag indecisive ka, no? Ito yun Pag ang choice mo is you have this indecision, mai-stuck ka na lang kung ano yung reality na nandyan sa'yo ngayon. So you have to decide. Or else, mai-stuck ka sa reality mo and you will not create possibilities. You will just get stuck on your circumstance right now. And we don't want that. Dapat magalit ka na sa pagiging mahirap. Magalit ka na sa poverty. Now, you have to create a passion within you, di ba? Yan. So, have a decision to have passion. And alam nyo kung ang passion is a Latin word which means passion. Passion means to suffer. Ang tanong ko, what are the things you are willing to suffer from? 'Di ba? Kaya ako nag-pause for you to realize na we have suffered. Ako, personally, I have suffered long enough for being in the employment. Like, lately lang ako nag-self-employed. But pag sinabi mong you suffer, like, suffering means what are you willing to sacrifice? Kaya nga may tinawag na passion of Christ, di ba? When you speak of suffer, you talk about sacrifices. Ano yung willing kang i-sacrifice to come up with a decision na magbago ang buhay mo? Di ba? Yes, kailangan ng effort. Yes, kailangan ng hard work. But ang kapalit naman ng napakagandang desisyon na to sa Live Good is life-changing. Kapalit nito, oras ng pamilya mo. Kapalit nito, oras mo para sa sarili mo. So, are you willing to suffer for that thing, di ba? So, it's high time to decide now. Mag-decide ka and uulitin ko, hindi napakahirap na desisyon ang maging isang Live Good affiliate. Napakaganda. It is the most wonderful decision na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. Ang mag-decide na maging parte ng Live Good. So magkita tayo after 5 years and then sabihin mo na mali ako. Diba? So again, master the power of decision. Okay? Yan. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So seize the day, carpe diem, seize the power of now, because you cannot undo the past, but you can shape your future. So start building your business and Live Good now, not tomorrow. Okay? So thank you everyone. Maraming salamat po. I hope I have given value for today. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-tune in. And of course, see you all at the top. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Janet, ang inyong presenter for today. Okay?